Is it worth it? That's why we're here today on Cornell Avenue in Florida on the East Coast. Coming to take a look here. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1978, and they're asking $282,500. We're gonna go see. Is it worth it? And we got the man that started me on this plan, my dad Rick, being some extra eyes and ears for me. So out front here, looks like a 1.5 car garage. That tree is dead and needs to be taken out. Roof looks to be pretty good. Landscaping just needs a little bit of cleanup there. And again, I'm not sure what this tank is for. Is it propane? Let's see if it opens. It's an old slop of something. Yeah. Oh, that's septic. Looks like they missed a spot on the paint job or went a little too high. Great backyard. Fence needs to be cleaned, and I really don't like big trees next to the house. Screened in porch out back. And we got some leaks coming through there. Why there's not gutters on there, I'm not really sure. Oh, the whole house doesn't even have gutters. All right, so we need gutters. Screens have seen better days. There's a lizard laying up on the roof there. That's pretty cool. No real popping or sagging. A little bit of rotten, it just needs paint on that corner there. Our AC. Let's see if we can find our sticker here. And where's the serial number at? 19? Yep, 2019. There's a dryer vent. Side door into the garage. Yeah, that tree's definitely got to go. I'm sure it was pretty at one point. Nice little front porch. Go figure, tile floor. Metal windows. Windows are older. And garage. So you got storage and space for a car. Laundry would go back here. An electric water heater. 24. Panel is original. Still got space in it though. And over here. So this they cut into the garage, and this is a bedroom here. Being that there's 800 outlets there, probably an office. Screened in porch, same tile throughout. Older door. Silestone counters, stainless appliances, cheap cabinets, but they work. Ooh, grout line's pretty thick right there. Oh goodness, that's even worse in there.
Oh, I can show you where's that.
All right, you can show me that in a minute. And another metal window. So yeah, windows are needed in here. They're functional, but a big walk-in closet.
No, but look at the fact that the wall's doing this. The wall's doing this.
Linen closet. Bedroom 2. So this would be the master. Another big walk-in. And the master bath. So this might qualify as a 3-bedroom, but that third would be really small.
Religion you are, but he's saying there's only one guy that was perfect and he ended up on a cross, so be careful what you do.
It's a fair statement.
You're perfect.
He ended up on the wrong side.
This is what Dad was talking about earlier. Too small of a piece, so that will always crack.
And Kyle does what I used to do, so
You had to find some. So Dad just found some rot on the outside. But overall, what did you think of Cornell Ave for $282,500, and it's been on the market for over 200 days? I don't know. Overall, rent-wise, for a 3-bedroom, we're looking at an average of like $2,000 a month. Where this is sitting between rates and all the different things, and I don't buy cash. I can, but I prefer to buy creative. So working on a plan and just figuring out how to start attacking this stuff.